In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily auto-rotate screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. Now I'm gonna open up YouTube app, then we can play some video here. However, now as you can see, even though I tilt the device to the landscape orientation, it still keeps portrait orientation enabled. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily turn auto rotation on. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up these quick options. After that, swipe down again from here to see more options. And here we are looking for the option which is called portrait. Now, guys, all we have to do in order to activate auto rotate is just tap on it. Now it says here auto rotate, which means that currently this feature is enabled, and now we can test it. Now I'm gonna open up YouTube app again, we can play the video, and now when I tilt the device, it automatically turns into landscape mode. And the same about turning it back to the portrait mode. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.